I'm showing you how to find your usage quota in Claude, so you know exactly how many messages you have left before your limit resets. To get started, open Claude on your desktop and look for your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on that, and then select Settings from the menu that pops up. Once you are in the Settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the section labeled Usage. This page gives you a real-time breakdown of your activity. You will likely see your current session first, which shows a percentage of the limit you have already consumed. For example, if it says you have used 20% of your limit, it will also provide a countdown for when that limit is going to reset, such as in 2 hours and 30 minutes. The important thing is that these limits apply to specific time windows, so keeping an eye on that timer helps you pace your work. If you scroll down, you can see your weekly limits across all the different models you have access to. In my case, I can see a 3% usage for my primary models and a separate section for Claude Design. If you think the numbers look a bit outdated, you can click on the Refresh Usage Limits button. This updates the dashboard to the latest usage data instantly. You also have the option to enable extra usage. This is a toggle you can turn on if you hit your limit and need to keep working. However, keep in mind that this goes both ways. While it allows you to bypass the standard cap, you might get charged for those extra messages on top of your existing plan. I usually keep this toggled off to avoid unexpected costs. For those of you using the more technical tools, you can switch over to the Claude Code tab. In a new session, this view shows your total messages, active sessions, and total tokens used. You can even switch from the general overview to specific models to see how many tokens a model like Sonnet 4.6 is consuming. You can also change the time frame in the top corner to view your history over the last 7 days or 30 days. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.